All right, we're going to unbox the new 8-piece quarter drive metric set of GripEdge RPT rounding prevention technology. Let's have a look and see what's in the box. Right off the bat, the fit and finish of the packaging is just fantastic. And I can see on the back of the packaging, it's got the sizing. It gives you a little bit of information about how this tool works, because GripEdge RPT works different than any conventional hex head tool. So let's go ahead and open this up. And we've got a nice little set of stickers that come with it. That's cool. We've got a GripEdge Tools logo. There's a GripEdge Tools font logo and a couple of stickers that show you how the technology works. And I can tell you, as we pull it out of the package, look at that. The fit and finish is just beautiful. It's on a really nice aluminum rail. They've got a positive locking snap lock like that holds it on there. And as you can see, they're engraved and painted so they're easily identified, so you'll know what size you're reaching for when you reach down into that to pull it off the rail. And it's got an anti-slip little green groove around the bottom, so if you're driving that with your fingers, you can easily hold on to it. Just a really, really nice setup. That's the 8-piece metric quarter drive set of RPT rounding prevention technology from GripEdge Tools.